Wait, no! This is the #1 thing that I see people doing wrong, and this is why they don't get it. All right, guys, we are here today with Derek and Moses. And Derek and Moses never landed a tray flip before in their entire lives. And today is the day. I'm here to teach them, and that plane is gonna fly on by and stop making that noise. Okay, so we're gonna do a tray flip off. So the first person to land it wins. Do a Rochambeau to see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Moses is first. Do you want some advice, Moses, or are you just going straight in?
I'm gonna go straight in first.
I did already help them a little bit, taught them the scoop. Okay, Moses, it's close, it's close. Bro, you got the pop. Okay, yours is popping like this high. Remember what I said about leaning back before you pop though. It's all in the scoop. Moses. Wow, the quintessential 2000 skater. He's got the Muskas on. Look at this. And he's ready for the tray flip. Bro, you are so close. You're just missing it. Oh, it was it, you stuck it. That was tray revert. I think your scoop is pretty good. You're kind of going like this, like, it's spinning, but it's just going right there. So now what you're gonna do, pop, flick, and jump right there. Moses on the mic. Ready? Here, I'm gonna do one, you get my back. Oh my God! Moses is shaking in his boots. He's shaking in his Muska boots. Bro, okay, you're right there. You're right there too. 2 tray flips for the price of 1. Dude, you are so close. You know why you're doing that?
I think it's because I'm not leaning back.
Yeah, you need to be in the back seat a little bit more. Get the idea, it's just pure physics. If you're forward and you push down, your board will go that way, right?
Yeah.
Behind you. If you're back and you push forward, your board will go in front of you. You're landing here and you need to land here. So all you need to do is lean back a little bit more in the back seat, like your upper body can be a lot more like that, and then pop it to go in front of you. When you do it, what foot are you looking at?
Always look at my back foot.
Yeah, good. Keep it on your back foot. You got it. I told you, let's go! Okay, Moses, get his back.
For no way.
He's really close too. Yeah, now it's just a matter of repetition to drill in that muscle memory until it just becomes second nature. And when you do, you'll be like, oh, tray flip's the easiest trick. Yeah. Okay, ready? In the back seat, pop forward. That was such a bad one. Yeah, you got it. I mean, you landed on it already. Now you just need to land and roll away. And you got the Adidas shoes, which gives you 10 points extra tray flip power. Oh! I think your front foot. Just try as an experiment, putting it back like, yeah, let's just try. Just see. And then on your back foot, more off. Yeah, watch his back foot. His toe is really hanging off. See that? Oh, yeah. See how much toe is hanging off? Now watch mine, same thing. You got it, guys. Oh! It's like the minute adjustments that you can do on a skateboard are so small, but they affect such big things. Keep that back foot off of there. Yes. Bro! Shout out, Chad Muska. Oh! Just lean back just a little bit more before that pop and you got it. There it is. Bro, you're so close. Okay, you gotta focus. Okay.
Oh, what?
There you go. You know how you can like kick your board out in front of you like this? Like try and like the way you pop, try and make the board shoot in front of you, toward the nose. Yeah, like that. And now you do your tray flip like that, it'll send the board in front of you. Don't change the way you're flicking because it's actually really good. We just need to get it to go more in that direction. Okay, try it, you got it. Bro, you're so ridiculously close. Moses!
I get the like leaning back help a lot.
Yeah, it does, right? Okay, if you don't land it right here, you're gonna try it on my board. Derek! You gotta lean back. Okay, what size is this?
Like an 8.4.
8.4. Okay, you're gonna try a 7.75.
Okay.
Welcome to the
my.
future, Derek.
I'm gonna do a double tray with this.
Yeah, do a double tray.
It's so light too. Oh my.
What? Yeah, Moses. Can you do a varial flip? Try.
It's kind of scary with this board.
Yeah, go ahead, take yours.
It's like riding a pencil.
It is like riding a
an
pencil,
8.4.
yes.
Cannot varial flip at all.
You guys are great. Oh my! Just stay on there.
I gotta just focus on my shoulder.
You just stay on there. You're almost trying to like turn like a front side revert. You're almost doing like tray revert. Just literally once your feet are there, don't move. Okay. You could have landed that one.
Yeah, I'm not like that comfortable with like the position.
Yeah, I think you're not quite ready, or you feel like you're not quite ready, but trust me, you're ready.
Yeah, I'm gonna just do it.
Just put your feet on. You got it?
I gotta do it.
You're gonna land it. Oh, that's the other part. You have to believe that you can. You can do it. Yeah. You got it, my boy. Yeah, take your time. I feel like you're rushing a little bit. Does it help if I do it and then you do it?
Yeah, let me see it.
Like get my back foot. And just relax. Pop, scoop, just relax, let it go. Oh my! I think we need to make a wager. Like, what do we do? If he lands it in the next 5 tries, what? $5?
$5.
Okay, $5. I'll put 20 on it. In the next 5 tries for 25 bucks.
Tries.
I was gonna say Jamba Juice, but I don't know if, you know. Oh my gosh! He was just trying to hustle us.
Right, come on,
Stay on there, relax. Oh my word! You're right there. Got it now. He's got 3 tries left. Yeah. Derek, I hope you have 20 bucks. Okay, 3 more tries. Bro, 2 more tries.
Ooh.
Take your time. Don't rush.
Okay.
Oh my! Last try, Derek. There's 2 Dereks in town now. That Derek and that Derek. Wait, no! Do not do it going this way. You only have 1 more try. You're closest that way. Just go that direction, please. Oh my word. Okay, you got it. Ball! Derek, I don't think you understand. Okay, I'm filming this slow-mo so you can see. I don't think you get how close you are. Okay, do it again this way. Yeah, more scoop. There it is. Have you ever seen Fulfill the Dream? No? Does anybody here know what Fulfill the Dream is? Skate video, yeah.
Wait, by who?
I'm gonna show you. Oh! Okay, look at this.
Yo, that's so close.
You're even catching it. That wasn't even like your closest one. So on that one, we need a little bit more scoop. And I think your timing is a little bit too soon on like your flick. Flick a little bit later and really fully get that scoop out of the way.
Ooh, okay.
You're trying to catch it with your back foot, like that.
Yeah.
See that? Just reverse that. Leave your front foot down and then your back foot is up. And also when you scoop, like your back foot is gonna be so extended and your front foot is just right there the whole time, doing nothing. Yeah, really close. Moses got the 775, he might take you down.
How long did it take you?
How long?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I have no idea. It was like 30 years ago. I don't even remember that long ago. But how long have you been skating?
It's like 2 years.
2 years? Yeah, it's right on time. Breathe, Derek. Oh! Okay, let's analyze this. Foot's in a good position. Pop, scoop. I honestly think it's just your commitment at this point. You're jumping high, looks good. I mean, you can like leave your back foot in the air more and then put your front foot down and catch it with your front foot. You see that? I think your front foot is being the safety and you're like being safe to like, oh, if I need to put this on the ground, I can. Don't do that. Just land. Like get it through your head, like now you will land. Bro, it is so good. Oh!
Oh my, the 3rd time already.
Okay, right here, and I'll post this on my Instagram and tell everybody to follow you. Oh! You didn't even want that. Okay, now you got it.
All right, I'm getting closer now.
Yeah, 100% confidence. Yeah, front foot, front foot. Okay, now on this next one, watch your front foot. Focus on your front foot. First try. You tired?
No.
So close. Yeah, you're so close. You gotta get the board a little bit more in front of you. Oh! Okay, let's watch it. I mean, really the key is leaning back a little bit more here. You see how you're still landing a little bit on the nose?
Yeah.
So we want to send that board a little more in front of you so that when you land, you're just bolts. Oh, you're close. Yeah.
Bro, this is so hard.
Oh, Derek!
Every single time.
I know. There's some minute adjustment we can do here. Let me figure it out. Try and really exaggerate where you're leaning. It's like really hard to explain, but you're basically in the back seat and then your board is shooting in front of you.
So you gotta lean back and then just do it.
Lean back and shoot it forward. And it will adjust not where you're jumping so much as where the board is going. You're popping the board in front of you. Bro, catch it with that front foot and put it on. There it is! Okay, now just stay on there. Full commitment. Whoa!
Crack.
Stay on there!
All right, come on.
Yeah, look. On this one, you're fully leaning back. See the difference?
Yeah.
See where your head and shoulders are? Now your back shoulder is more low. And then it goes right in front of you. Perfect. That's right where you want the board. Okay, right here, 100% commitment. Breathe. Oh my! Put both feet on and relax. Let it go.
I'm gonna just do one more because I gotta go. Ooh.
Okay, your friends are leaving?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta go. Okay, well, it's good to meet you.
Teaching me.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, you got it.
I'm gonna get it next time, I know it.
Get the land. Okay, thanks. Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, see ya, good to meet you. Okay, I learned something good in this video, and I learned that it is really about the upper body, head and shoulders. It's interesting to be able to see him and notice like, oh, when I pop, this shoulder's above this one and it's down, and the upper body's going forward. Whereas like this left shoulder back, popping the board more forward. I'm gonna show you some examples. For anyone out there trying to learn how to tray flip, this is the #1 thing that I see people doing wrong, and this is why they don't get it. So first, I'm gonna drop my upper shoulder down, and then I'll show you where the pop goes. So the board goes behind me, my body goes in front of it. So now I'm gonna reverse that, put my back shoulder down, and push it forward. This also, I have found, is one of the hardest things to teach. It's one of the hardest things to communicate and say, oh, like lean back more in the back seat, drop your back shoulder lower. It's hard to get another person to understand. But if you do that, the board will spin nice and right underneath you. You put your front foot down, catch it, and you got it. So this is very helpful. This is a big, 100% most common reason why I see people not learning how to do the tray flip. So I hope this video helped you guys learn and get out there and land your tray flips. Let's go.